but it's not any squishy. It's a unicorn mystery reveal. I wonder what her heart's gonna change into. She's so cute. It's glitter inside her. Biggie, you want me to cut her open? Oh. Well, you know what? I think we need to have some fun squishy time and a reveal of what's beneath the heart. Okay, so I brought a very warm towel. We're gonna warm you up. Okay, are you ready? Oh, wow. It's such beautiful flowers. Okay, let's get to squishing her. Oh, she's a slow rising unicorn. Okay, let's get this in action before I cut her open. Ooh, look how fun that is. It's so cute. Okay, should we cut her open now? Okay. I wonder what's inside of this unicorn. Let's maybe start right here. Maybe by her heart. I wonder if there's glitter in here. Do you think if there's glitter inside of her? Okay, let's see the magic reveal. Foam. Lots and lots of foam. Wow. But look, there's nothing behind the purple heart. What? I don't understand. There was flowers underneath it. Where are the flowers? They're not there. Oops. Oh, she's so cute though, and she's still fun to play with. Well, if you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. It looks like poor Biggie got scared and fell over. Well, thanks so much for watching.